Hi, welcome back again to David's tutorial, and today I will show you how to grow the world record biggest fruit in Grow a Garden.
Here's a fun and fast tutorial on how to grow the world record biggest fruit in mobile game Grow a Garden. So in Roblox, you need to choose a fruit with high growth potential. Start with watermelon or pumpkin. These scale are huge. Number 2, use premium oil, soil and fertilizer. Go for super soil and mega grow fertilizer. They boost like crazy sizes. Next is water smart. Don't overwater. Keep the hydration bar in the green zone for max growth. Next is you need to upgrade your tools. A high level watering can grow lamp faster, bigger fruit. Next is time it right. Play during growth events or use growth boosters for 2 times size. Next is to protect your plant. Use bug spray and fencing to prevent damages, and damage slows growth. You don't want that. Final tip is that stack all buffs and check in often. Consistency wins the crown. That's all.